Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I sat down and made any kind of makeup video. So let's get right into it. Today I went to Shoppers Drug Mart, my happy place, because I wanted some toothpaste. But the way the store is set up, you have to like go through the beauty section to get to any other section of the store. And like that is dangerous for a person like me, because then I ended up buying a new brush set. So this Quo brush set is $29.99. I think it was on sale, I'm not sure, but I saw $29.99 and I'm like, yeah, I'm getting that. It has the powder brush, blush brush, large foundation brush, and angled concealer brush. So yeah, it's the charcoal deluxe brush set. And what I like about things like this is because it's the holiday season is coming up, and so you're getting a lot of like minis and lots of sets. So this is like a great time if you're a beauty lover and if you wanted to ever try something to get it, because sets. Anyways, so I'm going to open this up and I use this on camera, but before I do, yeah, I'll do it right now actually. So right away, right out of the package, they look kind of like this. That's the powder. This is the powder brush. This is the blush brush. This is the concealer brush. I haven't used a brush to do my concealer in a long time, so should be interesting. And sorry, I haven't used a brush to do my foundation in a long time. And then this is a concealer brush. I also do not use a brush. I usually use a little beauty blender. So yeah, I'm gonna try these out on camera. Usually I like to wash the brushes first before I use them, but in the sense of a live review, as what this is, I'm going to try these out on my face for you guys. So stay tuned and yeah, let's try it out. So when you're doing your makeup, before you do anything, I've already washed my face. I've already moisturized. I moisturized using Pharmacy's what do you call it? Honey Savior, which is probably not the best thing to moisturize with right before you put on foundation, but whatever. Okay, put my hair away. Put this wig away, hunty. Alright, so I've moisturized, and I'm going to use a little bit of the VDL Lumi Layer Primer to prime my face. So this primer, it gives you sort of a little bit of a luminescent glow. I'll show you guys. You can see, no? So I'm gonna rub it out for you. So it gives you some sort of a luminescent glow like underneath your makeup. Usually I wouldn't wear this for like an everyday makeup situation, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing this for the video. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using VDL. And VDL is a Canadian company. Wow, that is a lot of primer. Oh. If you are a gal like me with a lot of melanin in your skin, don't be afraid that when you put your primer on, you see that it leaves a bit of a cast. See that? Alright. So the Lumi Layer Primer, as you guys can see, I have a bit of a glow to me. So that's what the Lumi Layer Primer does. once you put your foundation on, it kind of blends it out and makes it look a little bit better. So this is the foundation brush. We're gonna give it a whirl. I'm gonna use Pixie Makeup Fix-In Mist. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray that on my brush. Get it nice and soaked. And what that does, it kind of helps to fix my makeup as I put it on. Also, you guys, I'm not a pro, so just take all of this with a grain of salt. just think of this as like a crazy lady doing her makeup, because for real, that's all that is. Oh, so the foundation I'm using is Dior Skin, Dior Forever, in the color, I don't know what color this is. It's dark. I think I peeled off all the information. Oh, in the color 070, right there. So yeah, this is Dior Skin. I like to do a bunch of pumps on the back of my hand and kind of work from there. So this foundation matches me really well in like the fall. In the summer it's too dark. In the winter, no, in the summer it's too light. In the winter it's too dark. I don't have a mirror, so I'm using so far so good on the makeup brush. And the reason I poured so much out is because I anticipate that the brush was going to eat up all my foundation. That's why I typically don't like using a brush when applying foundation. Okay, so that's the foundation on. I didn't want to do like too much foundation, you guys, because brushes like these tend to eat up your foundation. So that's how the brush looks after applying the foundation. I really do like this brush. I just find that it's a little bit it's a little hard, so the foundation is prone to blotchiness rather than spread it nice and evenly. But this would be great for like a contour. I probably wouldn't use this for foundation again. I'd use it for contouring because it's really nice and precision, and I like that. Moving on. So while that dries, I'm going to use my Naked Skin foundation by Urban Decay, and this is in medium dark. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyways, Sephora was having like a 2-for-1 sale. These were on sale for something like $17. So I picked up two. I've actually never tried this shade before. I usually use Golden Dark, so we'll see how that works. I'm just gonna do a little bit here. We're not going ham. And I'm using my camera as my guide. Ooh, so this might turn out not so great. But what I like about this foundation is a little bit goes a long way. It's a super lightweight foundation, and it works for me. So those are my tribal merkins. That's what I call it. Again, this is the foundation, sorry, the concealer brush, and I'm just gonna give it a little spritz. Foundation brush is quite quite hard as well. Not hard, but quite hard, maybe. Oh, goodness. I don't know how you guys do your makeup, but this is how I do my makeup. If you want like a for real makeup tutorial, there's some really amazing gurus on YouTube, like Destiny Godly and what's her name? Jackie Aina, Elliot J, all those, Jacqueline Hill, all those beauties can really help you to sort your foundation out. Wow, that actually blend really well. Huh. So quite honestly, so far so good with the brushes. I've used the foundation brush and I've used the concealer brush, and it works super well. Like, I would recommend like and then the blush brush and the powder brush are just like your typical soft, oh, that actually feels so good, powder and blush brush. I would recommend for $29.99 getting this set because it felt amazing, it worked well, and I was actually just going through my stuff and I realized that all my brushes are Quo, because these are brushes you can kind of rely on. So yeah, so I just kind of did my foundation and my concealer, nothing else, with the Quo brushes. If you guys are thinking about getting a brush set and you're on a bit of a budget, you might want to start with these bad boys. I mean, for $29.99 you're getting professional quality brushes. They're really well made, like really well made, really sturdy, and they feel amazing on the face. So that was my live review of the Quo brushes. I destroyed the packaging, but these are the Quo professional brushes from Shoppers Drug Mart. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.